So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover another amazing learning opportunity. So we'll cover this and where you can win some cool prizes, swags, etc. But before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel and hype the video. Now let's come over here. This challenge is regarding a competition, that is Indiapreneur 15.0 National Level Business Plan Competition, and it is Unstop Christmas Giveaway Challenge. So here, what is the challenge about? We'll cover it. So the challenge is open to all undergraduate and postgraduate student from different stream. Okay, even if you are from different stream, you can just take part in it. Now what we have to do and what are the perks? First thing we'll know about the rewards. You can see the rewards are here. Like winner will be getting 1 lakh rupees, first runner up 60,000, second runner up 40,000. Now here, what are the perks of it? So you'll be getting professional mentoring sessions from industry experts and entrepreneurs. Apart from this, you'll be getting some feedback from investors and seasoned founders, and it will help you to develop your networking and skills. Now the event registration is started from 27th of November and will be ending by 31st. So hurry up and register. What you have to do, I'll share the link in the description. You have to just open it, register it, and just take part on it. Now here, the timelines you have to just work on it. So what is the criteria? First of all, let me tell you here. Now there will be multiple rounds. For example, you have to just make a problem statement and develop a solution of it. Basically, they have mentioned that you have to solve a real world problem which can be developed. Okay, and the solution which can be developed, like it should be cost effective, to be more precise, and financially sustainable. You cannot make large projects with billion of dollars company like this. You don't have to make a project, so you have to make a sustainable project, and it should be unique, and make sure to make a careful consideration of all the things like resources and how it can work on the market, how it will be growing, all things you have to mention. Okay, now here there is elimination round, which will be based on the problem statement and BMC, and that result will be out around 31st of January. So either you'll be given the problem statement or you have to make your own problem statement and submit to them, and they will just shortlist you based on the problem statement. Now after that there will be online round where we have to present to the judges, and the top 25 teams will be getting the finale section. Okay, they will be reaching to grand finale and semi finale. Okay, after that, once they have completed, then the top six teams will be getting a chance to pitch the VCs, Angel, and Fortune 500 executives. After that, they will be receiving a third AC free. Means once you are finalist, like you are in the grand finale, you'll be getting free of cost travel, accommodation, and meals too. Now here all things are mentioned over here. You can check it out. You can see the winners, and everyone will be getting a participant certificate. So you can take part in it, and it's very easy. Okay. So this was the quick thing I wanted to share. If you have any query, you can let me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.